You can tell from that lens there that it was pretty wet early in the day.
And without the Seahawks playing today, it was a good day to maybe just hang out indoors.
Yeah, not do anything.
Yeah, there you go. But I will say the sun came out later in the day. We did see the rain kind of break away, and we are just seeing some patchy areas of drizzle out there this evening. But yeah, this morning it was pretty wet. This is a radar shot from earlier today, ending at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see as that front moved through, wet start to the day, and now we're just seeing some patchy areas of drizzle. Some decent rainfall amounts, especially if you head north of Everett, places like Oak Harbor, Mount Vernon, Bellingham, a half an inch or more. Look at Quileute, over 2 inches of rain. That's as of midnight today. That means close to 4 inches of rain out along the coast just in the last 3 days. In the meantime, SeaTac only picking up less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. We also saw some pretty gusty wind as well. Oak Harbor saw wind gusts over 40 miles per hour about 6 o'clock this morning. Bellingham, Bremerton also saw some pretty gusty wind as well. The wind is calming down and the rain for the most part is wrapping up. A couple of light showers around the convergence zone this evening, but otherwise we're drying off and we're in a bit of a lull right now ahead of our next weather system, which is going to give us some pretty decent rainfall as we head into late Monday and especially Monday night into Tuesday. It kind of looks a little more impressive than it actually is. This is our infrared satellite loop. You can certainly see some brighter bands right there indicating some heavier showers out over the Pacific, and that will be moving in probably by late Monday morning, but the best chance of seeing more widespread rain is not going to be until, say, Monday afternoon and especially Monday night. This is Futurecast showing us a drier evening tonight, just some patchy areas of drizzle. Monday morning's commute, probably dry, but probably still some wet roadways because we're not going to really clear out overnight tonight. First wave moves through late morning. Notice some light showers cover western Washington, but the heavier rain will show up later in the afternoon. This is 4 p.m. Pretty wet over the central sound, and we're looking at some pretty decent rainfall that will continue through Monday night, not wrapping up until Tuesday morning's commute. Once we get beyond Tuesday morning, we dry out, and it looks like we'll dry out for at least a couple of days. Here's our forecast rainfall amounts starting Monday and heading all the way through Tuesday afternoon. Notice places like Bremerton, Seattle, Renton picking up an inch, maybe even a little bit more than an inch of rainfall. But you head north of Everett, amounts really drop off, only a 1/4 inch up in the northwest interior, and south of Olympia, only a 1/4 of an inch of rain as well. We need to soak it up because once we get beyond Tuesday, we dry out for at least a couple of days. The Climate Prediction Center showing drier than average up in the Pacific Northwest and the West Coast. That's exactly what we are forecasting as well. So bottom line tomorrow, the better chance for rain is later in the afternoon, so increasing rain. A little breezy Monday night into Tuesday with a north wind as that system exits off towards the east. Dry by Tuesday afternoon, and then it'll be that pattern where we see chilly mornings with some morning fog, turning mostly sunny in the afternoon and dry from Tuesday afternoon, probably through Saturday, before we see our next chance for rain by next Sunday.
Midweek looking pretty good.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, Ben, thank you so much.